on Etsy is great, but building your entire business on Etsy, that's where things fall apart. Because at some point, every Etsy seller hits the same wall. You're making sales, but you don't own your audience. You don't own your brand. And you definitely don't own your traffic. So today I'm showing you how to go from Etsy seller to a real brand without Shopify and without spending weeks building a website. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn your top Etsy listings into a brand people trust and a storefront that you actually own. Let's get started. Why Etsy sellers need their own storefront? Quick reality check. Etsy now has 7.5 million active sellers competing for attention. And according to marketplace polls, Etsy added 2 million new sellers in the last 2 years alone, meaning the platform is more crowded than ever. More sellers, more competition, less visibility. And because Etsy controls your traffic, your customer list, your fees, and your exposure, your business is always at risk. But here is the good part. You don't need to leave Etsy to fix this. You just need a brand home outside the marketplace. Step 1. Audit your Etsy shop. Open your Etsy analytics and check the top 3 listings. Look at views, favorites, and repeat buyers. These are your brand pillars. Your storefront will be built around what is already working, not new guesses. If you know your bestseller, drop it below. I love seeing what people are selling. Messy shop versus branded shop. Let's make this real with a quick example. Example 1, the messy shop. This is super common. A seller has a fitness planner, a wedding template, a kids chore chart, a meal plan, and a random wall print in the same shop. It looks chaotic. No team, no identity, and buyers get confused. And confused buyers don't convert. Example 2, the branded shop. Now compare that to a seller who only sells wedding products, wedding planners, wedding sitting charts, wedding budget sheets, wedding timelines. Instantly, it feels like a real brand. It's clear, it's focused, and trustworthy. You know exactly who is it for and what you will get. That is the difference between I sell on Etsy and I run my brand. Step 2, turn your bestsellers into brand pillars. Your brand should feel intentional, not random. If your bestseller is a wedding budget spreadsheet, your brand becomes wedding organization. Your bestseller is a baby shower game, your brand becomes celebration templates. Is your bestseller a finance tracker? Your brand becomes financial wellness. This shift alone makes your shop feel cohesive and premium. And this next step is where most Etsy sellers level up. Step 3, build your branded storefront. This is where every store makes your life a lot easier. No Shopify, no hosting, no coding, none of that. You just get a clean storefront that finally looks like your brand, not just another Etsy page. Here is how simple it is. Step 1, open Airbnb store. Inside Airbnb, head to apps and click on Airbnb store. This is basically the home base for your whole site. Import your Etsy listings. Click import from Etsy. Airbnb grabs everything automatically. Your products, your photos, your descriptions. No rebuilding, no copy paste. Your store fills itself in a few seconds. It's honestly kind of satisfying. Customize it. Now you get to make yours. Choose the fonts you like, pick colors that match your vibe, update the hero banner text so it sounds like you, not Etsy. Add a little personality, and suddenly your shop feels like a real website. Because the minute your customers see a standalone store, it registers as more legit, even when the products are the exact same. Step 4, add a domain. If you want an instant trust boost, connect a domain like yourbrand.com. It's a tiny change that makes you look twice as credible. Step 4, connect payments and automate delivery. Connect Stripe. It takes under a minute. After that, everything is automatic. Your products deliver instantly. You don't have to send a single email ever again. One and done. Step 5, build your email list. This is the part that Etsy never gave you. Every store has a built-in email capture, so every customer becomes someone you can actually reach again. This is how Etsy sellers turn into real brands. Step 6, send traffic to your store. Now just plug your store link everywhere. Your Etsy announcement, your Etsy thank you message, your Instagram and TikTok bio, your Pinterest profile, even packaging inserts. You're not leaving Etsy. You're just giving people a path to your brand, which is something Etsy will never do for you. And since you just saw how fast and easy to build your store, this video is going up during Black Friday. So Airbnb main offer is live right now. If you're setting up your store, it's a good time to check it out. Link in the description. Thanks to Airbnb for sponsoring a portion of today's video. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of most Etsy sellers who want a brand but never take the next step. Now you know how to turn your Etsy shop into something bigger, something people trust, something you own. You're not creating listings. You're building a brand that works for you and not the algorithm. Whether you start tonight or this weekend, just start. Your brand is one decision away. And if you want the full Etsy to brand makeover in the next video, let me know in the comments. And if this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps more than you think. See you in the next one.